Good morning, Facebook. Hello. It's 8 o'clock, 8:15-ish on Wednesday morning. Jamie and I have been here early. We've been here since almost 6:45 doing work in the restaurant this morning. We've started a project that why stop now? You know, some of those projects you start, and once you get into it, you're like, oh my gosh, what have I got myself into? Well, that's what we are doing this morning here at the restaurant. Jamie is in the back there vacuuming. That's that noise. So I did something yesterday. We did something yesterday. I bought like 30 cases of wine. I don't know why I bought so many. Well, I got some good deals on some great wine coming in. But we literally bought like 30 cases of wine. So we had to buy another wine rack yesterday that will be in hopefully in the next couple of days. We are revamping the shelves here for the wine and spirits on the retail side. We just took apart a whole wine rack this morning. Jamie's there vacuuming every nook and cranny of the wine rack. All the wines are off of there. That big wine rack that we have in the back, as you got the back door that covers all the walls. And so Jamie's vacuuming that. We are reorganizing our wine list, restructuring our wine list because we've brought in a lot of new wine. So sometimes, you know, in the wine world, all the new vintages are coming in right now. So the 2020 rosés are coming in, a lot of new vintages are coming in, and we have to be prepared to jump on some good deals, because what happens is the previous vintage it gets discounted, and sometimes if you take 5, 10, 15 cases, you can save a good amount of money. So I think we probably bought more than 30 cases, probably about 40 cases of wine yesterday from one of my distributors. Good morning, everybody tuning in. Good morning. Hi, Kit. Hi, Gretchen. Good morning, Gretchen. How's it going? Great hanging out with you the other day, Gretchen. Fantastic time up in the Finger Lakes. Hi, Sue. Good morning. So yeah, so Jamie and I did some wine tastings yesterday afternoon here at the restaurant. One of our distributors brought a lot of wine in to vineyards that we've actually been to. So we tasted some wine. Of course, new vintages are coming in. So we jumped on a lot of great deals. So check out we're gonna really run some really aggressive wine deals all summer long on a lot of these wines. We're doing a couple new things with our dinner menu as well. To reflect that, and some new takeout specials that we're going to start including, like a bottle of wine with steak and salmon and things like that. So we got some really good deals. But Jamie's in the back vacuuming the wine rack. We took all that wine off the rack this morning. All of those new cases of wine will be in today. Between today and I think Friday. So we've got a lot of work to do and figure out this all this stuff here, because we are just overflowing with wine. I did a video a couple months ago. When we were in Italy back in 2017 in Piemonte, in La Mora, Jamie and I visited this restaurant that when we walked in, they literally had wine all over the whole restaurant. There were cases here, cases there, and we ordered a bottle of, I think, Barbaresco or something, and the waiter literally went into the corner and went into a box and pulled it out and nothing. They had wine racks, but they had so much wine at this restaurant that it was stacked everywhere. And I'm like, that's kind of cool to walk in the restaurant and just see wine cases everywhere, right? And I was like, well, that would never really work for us, right? And now we're at that point, because there's literally wine everywhere, cases of wine everywhere, stacked everywhere behind these racks and these doors here. There's all kinds of wine boxes up and down everywhere. So that's what Jamie and I are doing this morning early. We have some cool, exciting things going on today. I did not announce the winner of the $100 gift card yesterday for commenting on our beer post. I know who the winner is, because we picked the winner. I just didn't announce the winner. So that email should go out today. It was a busy day yesterday. That email should go out today. The email's ready to go out. I just have to go in there and proof it and edit it and send it. It's already written. So stay tuned for your email inboxes for that winner. Jamie and I have a casting call today, really exciting, with a London-based talent company that works with the Food Network. So at noon today, I have a Zoom talent call, a casting call. That's really exciting. They're looking for a consultant, restaurant consultant and restaurant owner. Usually consultants aren't really owners. Usually consultants are people that are out of the industry. But they're looking for a consultant who is a restaurant owner, who has a strong background in marketing. And of course, they found me online. And so I have a casting call with them. They're working with hopefully a new show for the Food Network. They have a lot of shows out there, this talent company. So really excited about that. It's a noon casting call. I think I had a shave for that today. So haven't shaved in a couple of days. We've been having issues with hot water here yesterday. And today we've been having issues with hot water here. And last week we had issues with hot water. So they're here fixing the hot water again at the restaurant. So let's see. I think that's about it, folks. We are closed today. It is Wednesday. We're closed. We'll reopen tomorrow, Thursday. There's a burger special tomorrow, $9.99 burgers. And that's it. All right, folks, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to get back to helping Jamie now clean up the wine rack here and do that. So thanks for everybody tuning in. Thank you, everybody, for the comments and the support and all that kind of stuff. Jamie and I really, really appreciate it. And we'll talk soon.